Okay, what we have here is Mitsubishi Montero Sports 2016. So nag-install po tayo ng electronic step board and then electronic tailgate. So yan po yung electronic step board natin. Okay. Yan po siya. Hanggang doon po siya sa likod ng plastic. Okay. So pag nag-open tayo, ayan. Okay, pa nag-close. Okay, good. Okay. So sa kabila po ganyan din. Okay, open. Okay, good. Close. Okay, yan po siya. So, this Montero Sports, marami na po tayong nalagay dyan. Meron tayong retrofitting ng headlight, fog light, ambient lighting sa loob, remote start system. So, yan yung ambient lighting natin dati. Okay. Android head unit, 360 camera, remote start system for the original push start system. And then, test tayo sa may electronic tailgate. Okay, so tayo din po nag-install dati ng blind spot monitoring. Yan po siya. Ayan. Kay kabilaan po yan. May sensor po yan dito sa likod. Okay, and then try natin yung electronic tailgate. Ayan. Okay. Meron din button dito sa likod. Ayan. Meron din tayong kick sensor pero gumagana lang po yan kapag naka-off yung engine natin. Pag naka-on, ito po sa susi, pwede natin gamitin. So long press dito. Ayan, okay. Isa pa. Long press. Ayan, okay. So, aftermarket na susi po to, provided natin sa remote start system. That's why may trunk dito na button. Kung original kasi, dalawa lang. And then sa unlock tayo lang lalagay. Pag aftermarket na, pwede natin i-tap yung trunk or yung tailgate dito doon sa tailgate natin. Okay? So, sa loob meron ding button yan. Ayan po siya. Okay? So, pwede natin siyang i-on. Open. Long press. And close. Okay. And then, meron din yung backlight sa likod. Ayan. Backlight niya. Okay. So guys, if you're interested to do upgrades on your Mitsubishi Montero Sports, we have it here at Forte AutoWorks. You can do headlight retrofitting, fog light retrofitting, 360 camera, electronic step board, electronic tailgate, remote start system in your key fobs, ambient lighting, tire pressure monitoring, Android head unit. So, name it, we have it here at Forte AutoWorks. And don't forget the blind spot monitoring here. Okay? If you're interested in this kind of installation, you can message us on our Facebook page or call us our numbers or visit us here at Forte AutoWorks, Barangay Bauan, Norte Mandurriao, Iloilo City. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.